Dow Jones and Nasdaq traded with a modest bearish bias. In fact, US30 has seen a little more drop compared to US100, which is traded almost flat and with slight positive bullish bias. So what to expect today? With the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. In fact, you can join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully, note down the level, trade as per the levels here. On the hourly chart, see first of all, you can see the bullishness has started to increase. One green candle, retracement till the 20 period moving average. Second green candle, retracement to the 20 period moving average. So yes, it has still got the bullishness intact. I will recommend you to buy here at 12,425 levels. Beyond 12,420, beyond 12,420, 12,425, you can expect 12,450 levels to be 13,420, 13,425. If it stays above this, you can expect 13,450, and then my favorite 13,500 levels to be seen. Now see, this time it is almost from the top out here, and hence one should watch out for these levels. Any break below 13,370 and 13,380 itself, you can stay short there. Expect 13,350, 320, 300. Now see, stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed for a sell entry here, and if you see the RSI, it is almost trading flat on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour. Now see, on the 2-hour charts too, see greener bullish candles, then retracement, then higher highs, then this retracement, now higher highs and trying to retrace. And also if you look at these three candles, higher highs, higher lows, so hence once you see it trading about 13,425, you can buy for 13,450, and beyond that 13,500 levels, my favorite will be achieved. And remember, many a times I have told you since last 10-15 days that beyond 13,200, 13,500 is the target. It is very close to this. Let's see if it achieves. Stochastic flat, MACD is still in green, trading with little divergence, rather it is trying to converge here. RSI looking down, and if you look at 3 hour, now on the 3-hour charts, one very important observation here is the support it is getting at 13,400 levels and 13,370 levels. So yes, you can sell below 13,375. That is what, 13,380, 375, very good support, and 13,360. See, as I said, US100 is trading in a very narrow range nowadays, and for that reason 20 points trailing stop loss is a good enough. If you want to trade with a 20-point trailing stop loss, if you are happy with the 20 points profit, you can sell here at 13,375. expect 13,360, 340, 320, 300 till 300. Very good support exists. Below 300 only further fall can be expected. Stochastic near to overbought, it is trying to drop. MACD trying to cross over for a sell. RSI flat, and on the 4-hour. Now see, on the 4-hour chart, see the rise, retracement, rise. Almost flat top here. You can see this. Almost flat top, and this time it is slightly achieved a little higher levels. Now see, the previous candle was a breakout candle. It has tried to achieve highs and lower lows. So higher highs, lower lows, pivot here at around 13,400. So 13,380 and 440, this is the zone where we are going to see maximum swings. Below 13,375, you can take a sell entry for 13,360, 40, 20, 300 till 13,300. Be watchful. A stochastic overbought looking down, MACD flat, RSI trying to look downwards, trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first point, higher lows, higher highs are seen. This candle tried to break past this channel. It has got the pullback again on the downside. Now this has achieved the highs on the downside, 13,300. Again, very good support. And only bearish bias in Nasdaq100 is if it trades below 13,280, where you can expect 240, 200 levels. Till the time it stays above 200, we can expect it to trade bullish. Also, as I shared many a times, see, after this rise, this was the retracement. Now it is back to the path of bullishness. However, it is trying to consolidate, and hence any move beyond 13,450 and 500, it is going to see a very good bullish move above this. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also trying to trade bullish. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 13,425. Be watchful of 13,450, and then beyond that more bullishness for 13,480, 500 will be seen. On the downside, below 13,380, you can still expect 13,360, 40, 20, 300. Very good support. Rather till 280, you have to put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. You can see complete movement and curve between this, and also if you look at higher lows are seen, hence a sell entry below 33,200 can be taken, where you can expect 180, 150, 100 till 100 very strong support exists. And you can also see it is trading in this narrowing triangle. On the near term also, if you look at, this is the narrowing triangle, hence in between 33,200 and 350 at least you should not take any trade. Now see, stochastic has dropped, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can see the classical moves out there, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. Now see, it is beautifully, it is converging, waiting for a breakout, and this time the breakout possibly going to be a very sharper one, and hence beyond 33,350 certainly, and then 33,400 you can stay long for 33,500, 600. Beyond that, more bullishness is going to take it for 34,000 levels. Stochastic has retraced, MACD trying to cross over for a sell, RSI trying to look down. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now see, on the 3-hour charts also higher lows are seen, previous two candles lower highs, lower lows, and this candle, in fact 33,200, very good support. Achieving those levels, it can try to fly. So in between 33,200 and 350 at least, I will not recommend you to take any trade. In fact, below that 33,180, 150, 100, very good support till 33,100 exists. Stochastic dropping, MACD trying to cross over for a sell, but it is still in green, RSI almost flat. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see, on the 4-hour charts, firstly lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this bearish channel, and that is why 33,200, 350 zone one should refrain from. Stochastic is in green but trading with very little divergence, RSI flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. First of all, higher lows are seen. It has opened above this previous closing. Previous was a greener closing, bullish closing. It has almost achieved the higher lows here, and hence a possible retracement can be expected. Beyond 33,350 you can still expect a buy, but then 33,440, 450 levels are a good resistance. So a possible swing between 200 and 450 can be seen today. Any move beyond 33,500 is something I will look forward for a good buying entry. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, it is not yet crossed over, RSI trying to look down, trying to trade. Considering this, I will recommend you to not trade between 200 and 350. Above 350 you can still expect 400, 450 levels, very good resistance, and then 500, 600 will be on the downside. Below 200, 180, 150, 100 till 100, 33, 100 we have to be watchful, cautious, as it can bounce back again. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.